So you've got an exterior door like this. It's a weird size. It keeps rotting, falling apart. It's not very secure. People come out to fix it. People have tried to replace it. Nothing really works too well, and you just want to be done with it. It's not your front door, so you just want it to look decent and last. Here's the best solution: the flush steel door. They took a wood door, they tried to cut it down to size, and now the thing is falling apart, and that's not a great solution. That probably had about 10 inches on the bottom, and they cut that off, and now you can see that door is weakened. And they also cut the top off, which, you know, you could do. It's not a bad idea. And they also cut an inch off the side, but it's a crappy old wood door, and this gets a lot of sun and rain, and it's completely exposed, and we're in Tennessee. So this is my recommendation: get a flush steel door. That thing is not going to rot, and it's secure, and they look good, and they're not very expensive. And I also looked at this door before I took this job, and I saw that this, you know, jamb is kind of jimmy rigged here. So I got room. I'm going to take this out, and we can cut the door to length, and we're going to put in a real threshold, and we'll get this thing working great and looking good. So we get rid of the old jamb. That is all gone, and that odd trim they had out here. Got rid of that board at the bottom. So we're starting with a clean slate. Get that threshold in, caulked underneath, secured, looking good. Now we have the door hung. Got the door bottom on, so everything is sized correctly and looking good. Now we got our gap here, and we're gonna put in our 1x jamb material to get that gap nice and even. That solves our framing issue. Look at that, beautiful. Now it's time to make it all look pretty. Got the locks installed. Then we could put in our stop, and we got it trimmed out. And lastly, with all the patch, caulk, everything set, look at that. We got a beautiful new door. No more old junky half-ass wood door. That's beautiful steel door that is going to last as long as this house.